like a relay.
It's your headlights. The fuck?
It goes off when I turn the headlights on.
Yeah.
It's already recording. You just gotta aim it.
Just gotta aim it?
Yeah.
Where do you want it?
All you gotta do is aim it and make sure it doesn't shake too much.
Where do you want it pointing though?
At whoever's talking.
Like the little X on your head?
Just center it on me. Sure, I don't know. Alright, dude, this is actually pretty crazy though, because we got the front bumper out. It's all fitted up pretty nicely. We have both the side panels for the flares on. Bolted on already. That flare is also bolted on in a good position. Nice. So after, we're gonna put the front bumper back on, and then we're gonna start drilling in this flare once it's all lined up. But yeah, things are actually happening now. There's a good chance we'll get almost complete, if not complete, with the kit today.
It'll be complete.
So this is pretty exciting.
It'll be complete. It'll be complete.
That's Johnny from Atlanta. And
It'll be complete.
And this is Ryan. We've seen him with his GTI a bunch of times. Alright, so we are... Watch out for the bike.
Number 4! Number 4!
God damn it.
Alright, so we are running quick latches. And the S13s, they literally already have a hole in the headlight bracket, which is a perfect fit for the bumper. And it'll put the actual button like right around here. I'll show you guys what I mean in a minute. So right now we're just figuring out how we're gonna mount the front bumper. I have the pin over here, and we're putting paint on this to mark the inside of the bumper so we can drill into the right spot. Hey, battery's dying. Money.
Oh.
Oh, that feels good.
Perfect.
Alright, we just drilled it out. Yeah, these quick latches, I'm actually excited to use them. Oren speaks very highly of them, so hopefully we did a good install. Alright.
Bigger than 19?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use a classic 21 mil wrench.
Jeez.
No, that's too big.
It's fat, yeah.
And that was also very oily. Alright,
Yeah, wait. Why?
well, I need to figure out what size that nut is on the back of the button.
Or you could use like a vice grip, no?
Ooh, of course, it's a 7/8, exactly 7/8. Freaking made in USA products with their USA sizing. Whack. Dude, everything should be metric. The Imperial system is a bad system.
It's an arbitrary retarded roller coaster.
What did you just say?
Arbitrary retarded roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Okay.
Have you seen the chart with the Imperial system on it?
No.
It's like inch foot yard, and it's just like where the metric system's like perfectly even, and the Imperial system goes like this.
Quick, Google the torque spec on fiberglass, because that is really scary, tightening that. I was just kidding.
By feel.
No, I'm actually looking it up.
It's
There's no torque spec.
It's by feel.
I will be very surprised if there was something officially written. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, actually no, I'll leave it tight and then we'll see if it fits.
Okay.
And then if it doesn't fit cleanly, I'll loosen it and adjust this as needed.
Damn.
Why have I been recording?
Because we're getting you to practice. We're getting you to practice.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Are you over?
Do you want me to be over first?
I'm over, yeah.
There you go.
That sound?
Oh, that's so bad. What do you want?
I have to line up the button now, so. Okay, I'm actually gonna have to push the stud in a little bit. It's too far out.
So, how's this thing gonna work? Like, once both of them are mounted, you undo the butt. Does undoing the button undo this guy? No.
No, it releases it. But we can flex it out a little bit.
Oh.
I need to pull it off.
Hey, boy. Get in.
Yeah, so that needs to be shortened more into the frame just a little bit. Hopefully that's enough. I'm over the stud.
I can't even get over it.
Oh, because I'm already over the fender on my side. So.
There you go.
Okay. Are you getting something?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
This is right above it.
This is gonna be a hassle. This is wild. So there's still some fitment issues that I'm gonna have to like kink out. But other than that, we have one button here, one button on this side. This side's a lot cleaner overall. And then we have two quick releases with a zip tie right now inside. They're a little visible, but I don't mind that. Me and Matthew decided to do that. It's coming together. So this is the first time you've seen my car. What do you think of it?
I love it. It makes me want to buy one.
You used to have a 240 though, and it was SR20.
Yeah, but it was jank. Like, this is mint compared to mine.
I wouldn't call this mint.
Like, compared to mine, it was mint.
Dang. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So since episode 3 of the Rocket Bunny install, we spent 2 more days working on the kit. Shout out to Johnny and Ryan for the help. Like, huge lifesavers, huge lifesavers. So I have the car right next to me right now, and I'll take the cover off in just a second, but we are finally nearing the end. Like, this kit is nearing completion, and I am super stoked about it. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how far we've gotten and what the car looks like currently. Because in a couple weeks, once this car is painted, it's gonna be, oh my, I don't even know what to say right now. It's gonna be so cool. Like, it's gonna look so good. I can't even talk. It's actually coming out a lot better than I thought it would have as far as fitment. And again, this is my first time doing any bodywork or body kit installs, so I literally have no experience except for this. So I'm pretty pleased with what I can do on my own without taking it to a professional body shop. All right, so I'm just gonna put the camera down for a quick second and I'll get this cover off. There's a bee on here. A dead bee. Always keep your S13 dash protected. I actually do have an uncracked dash, so I'm trying to save that uncracked dash for as long as possible. I know it's eventually gonna crack one day, but I wanna prolong that for as long as I can. But anyways, so here's a quick little walk around. Woo! Oh. Oof. Damn. Of course, there's still more, like all over the kit, there's still a couple more things I need to drill and mount. Specifically those two. Still have a bunch more on this quarter panel. Same on this side, and then this one needs a lot of holes drilled still. But we are nearing the end. Like, the rest of this stuff I can easily, I'm actually probably gonna finish tomorrow, so it'll take me like one more day. And then just a little more bodywork prep that I'll be doing, and then this car will be off for a paint job. So the two questions I have for you guys are, should I have it painted white or should I have it painted red? And I'll show you guys what I mean like example colors right now. So again, do you guys think it should be white or it should be red? Okay, second question. I have Koenig hypergrams on the car right now. Should I replace them with SSR GTX 01s or Anki RPF ones? And again, I'll put examples right now. So the RPF ones would be silver, and the SSRs, they do come in either flat black or another silver. I'd probably go with the silver though. And then as far as fitment of the kit, again, not everything's perfect. I still have, it's recessed a little bit in here. Honestly, that doesn't bother me because as you see, as I back up, you can't even tell. And I think I will have the body shop that does the paint job kind of work on the kit a little bit just to clean it up, to bring it to the next level. Then this side again, it's recessed here, and then there's a little bit of gap in between the fender and the front bumper. Just a little bit of alignment issue. And yeah, this flare is not even bolted down yet, so I still need to take care of that tomorrow. All right, so please let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I genuinely want to hear your opinions and what you have to say and what you think I should do with this car. But I can't even go, like, I can't even explain how excited I am to get this car done. I know I said I wanted to have it done by the beginning of October, which is obviously way past, but my birthday is November 20th, so I can have it done anytime before that. I will be super stoked about that because a lot of my friends will come back for Thanksgiving break, at least typically. So that'll be cool to reveal it by Thanksgiving to them. Damn, I am super excited for this. Whew. This is wild. I never expected like this day to come, owning a Rocket Bunny 240. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. It's gonna look so cool. I'll have some great content and pictures, especially pictures. And I do plan to shoot a dope reveal video. I have a couple guys that are gonna help me out with that. It's gonna be a really sick vid. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'll be filming and shooting some photos in the morning at a car meet, but I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.